Encrypting a USB drive with BitLocker in Windows 10 is a great way to secure your data. Here's a step-by-step guide. Encrypting a USB drive with BitLocker. Insert the USB drive. Plug in your USB drive into your Windows 10 computer. Open File Explorer. Navigate to This PC or My Computer. Locate the USB drive, right-click on the USB drive and select Turn on BitLocker. Choose how to unlock the drive. Select Use a password to unlock the drive. Enter and confirm your desired password. Make sure it's strong and memorable. Save or print the recovery key. You can save the recovery key to a file or print it. This key will help you unlock the drive if you forget the password. Choose encryption options. Choose between Encrypt use disk space only or Encrypt entire drive. Select the appropriate option for your needs. Choose which encryption mode to use. New encryption mode, best for fixed drives on this device. Or compatible mode, best for drives that can be removed from this device. Start encryption. Click Next to proceed and then Start encrypting to initiate the encryption process. Wait for encryption. Depending on the size of the drive and the chosen settings, this process may take some time. Let it finish without interruption. Decrypting a BitLocker encrypted USB drive. If you want to decrypt the USB drive, right-click the encrypted USB drive, select Manage BitLocker. Choose how to unlock the drive. Turn off BitLocker. You might be prompted to enter the password you set during encryption. Once unlocked, select Turn off BitLocker. Remember, encryption is an effective way to protect your data, but make sure you keep your password or recovery key safe because losing them might result in losing access to your data.